Choosing the right equipment is important. Using the right products at the right step is what helps make the process more effective and efficient. Designed to streamline manual cleaning steps, AutoSink helps standardize endoscope cleaning according to their IFUs, supporting a more consistent workflow for reprocessing teams. For a limited time, every qualifying AutoSink purchase includes our promotional starter kit. First product in our starter kit is one case of StageOne Neutral Surfactant kits for point of use. At point of use, StageOne Neutral Surfactant works quickly in room temperature water and helps reduce surface tension, which supports reducing the bioburden load. It helps with room turnover, as StageOne works faster than enzymatics for point of use treatment. The second product in our promotional starter kit is THRU Cleaning Brush is made with 360-degree elastomer discs, which create a suction in the lumen and capture debris. Studies have shown that 1 pass with THRU cleans more than 5 passes with a bristle brush. The third product of the AutoSink Promotional Kit is the Endocept Enzyme Detergent. Endocept is a highly concentrated multi-enzyme formula, which means you use less and target more. Endocept also has surfactant properties to reduce surface tension, working with the enzymes to remove biofilm versatility. Use at the sink, with ultrasonic cleaner, and in the automatic endoscope reprocessor. Check our website for the AutoSink Promotional Kit.